How to scan a document on your iPhone. So first way is to open your files, and in the right upper corner area click on three dots, and here simply click scan documents. Now you have to simply scan the document. For example, I got here this calendar, and as you can see it's automatically saved. So if I simply take a shot, it will scan this photo or your document. Here you can simply crop it, as you can see from the original photo, and then simply click on done. And this is how you can scan a document on your iPhone. Another way how you can scan a document, simply open search and type here files, and you will find here scan document option. You can click it and you can simply scan a document here. So as you can see, if I click on scan, it will automatically scan. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.